All right, guys, welcome to Power PPC. Now, this is my favorite module because inside of Power PPC are the exact strategies and tactics that we used to scale our business in a few short months back in 2016. Now, when we did it, we had to go through search term reports and come up with all these different strategies and tactics on our own. Which took a lot of time, and it was well worth the time because, like I said, it allowed us to scale our business. But now you can do the exact same thing that we did in just a few clicks of the button. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the next couple of videos. So this really goes well and goes hand in hand with the PPC Entourage Blueprint series, which is going to be linked inside of this user fundamental guide. And if you haven't gotten a hold of that yet, it's going to go over all of the different strategies and campaign creation strategies that we used to really expand our business. So Power PPC is broken down into 5 different tabs. Campaign Creator is the first tab. And now inside of PPC Entourage, you can create your own campaigns and you don't have to do it inside of Seller Central. It's very simple and easy to do, and we're going to go over that in detail. Keyword expansion is all about expanding keywords and finding all of the different keywords that you have not used yet inside of any of your campaigns so that you can test out those keywords and then advance them into other campaign match types and so on and so forth. So search term expansion is all about finding the search terms that you do not have yet as any of your keywords. So we're basically going to find the search terms that connected and made sales, and then we're going to ask to find just the search terms that are not keywords yet in any of your campaigns so that we can turn those search terms into new keywords in your campaigns. Now that sounded like a mouthful, but I promise you this is my favorite strategy. And it is one of the best strategies that I think out there. We routinely see people scale their business using search term expansion. Match type expansion allows you to find the different keywords that are performing well in certain match types, and it allows you to expand quickly and easily into other match types by just a click of the button. For example, if you have all of your keywords in a broad match campaign, you can see that they're just in a broad match campaign, and this way you can move them into a phrase and exact match campaign and test them out in the different match types. Keyword search is a really cool mechanism, tool here. You can basically search for any keyword across any one of your campaigns, and you could also find duplicate keywords. Now we're going to go over all of these different modules in detail so I can share with you guys how you can scale your business using these techniques. Keep in mind that they follow the blueprint pretty much hand in hand. So get a hold of the blueprint, and there are 4 campaign creation strategies, and that's how we structure our campaigns, 4 different campaigns per SKU. So we will see you on the next video.